Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix screen time showing random website on iPhone. Apple has introduced the screen on time feature in recent times to help users understand their mobile phone usage and help it to use it well. iOS 16 has made some good changes to the screen on time feature wherein the users can view exactly how much time they have spent on different iOS and Mac devices through this feature. Some users, however, have complained that the screen time shown is inaccurate and that it shows unexpected websites or websites which were never viewed by them earlier. One of the reasons is known to be bug in the screen time app which shows such an error. So in this video, I'll tell you how you fix this problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is resetting the screen on time feature. For this, go to setting, tap on it and then tap on screen time. Next, scroll down on the screen time settings page and select turn off screen time. Tap on it. In the dialog pop-up, select the turn off screen time again and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Go to the settings and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Check for availability and download the latest updates and you are done. And the next step is restart the iPhone. For this, go to your settings, then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown and shut your phone off, and after some time turn it on again and see if the problem is resolved or not. And the next step is clearing websites data and browse history on iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on Safari. Scroll down on the Safari setting page and then tap on clear history and website data. In the pop-up box, again tap on clear history and data and then tap on close tabs and you are done. These methods should help with removing the glitch for screen time on your iPhone. This feature is especially important for people who keep a track of their digital lives and are connected about their phone usage. Although this iPhone screen time error may not seem to be a major concern, it might be inconvenient for those who are trying to intentionally cut back on their smartphone usage. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also tell us in the comments what is your average screen on time and if you found these methods useful. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.